In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the appearance of a workbook by changing themes, colors and fonts. So firstly, just click on the page layout option from the main ribbon and you can see the themes, colors, fonts, effects. So in order to change the themes of your workbook, you just select the theme option where you can find the different types of themes and you can see the changes in the workbook by just changing the themes. Just pick the one you want and you can see the changes in the whole workbook by just changing the themes of your workbook. In order to change the color of the themes, just select the color option from the page layout tab and pick the color you want for your themes. You can just select one and you can see the changes in the color of the whole themes, which change the appearance of your whole workbook. And in order to change the font style of your themes or your workbook, you just select the font option from the page layout tab where you can see the different type of font style. You can select the one font style which you want and you can see the changes in the whole font style of your whole workbook. So in this way, you can change the appearance of your workbook by changing the themes, colors and fonts from the page layout tab.